In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio phone number. If you've been wondering where to locate your Twilio phone numbers, you're in the right place. We'll take a straightforward journey through your Twilio console so you can easily see all the numbers you've purchased. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Twilio console and access the phone numbers page. Your Twilio console is your dashboard for managing everything, and the phone numbers page is where we're heading. If you're not already logged in, ensure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, look on the main dashboard and click on Phone Numbers. This will take you to the dedicated section where we can dive deeper. Now that you're on the Phone Numbers page, look for the section labeled Active Numbers. This is the area where all the phone numbers associated with your account are listed. It's like your personal Rolodex for Twilio numbers, keeping everything nicely organized and visible. Here in the Active Numbers section, you'll see a list of all the phone numbers you've purchased through Twilio. This section is essential because it gives you a quick overview of what you're currently using. Besides just seeing the numbers, there is more you can uncover here. You'll notice that each phone number entry provides additional details that are incredibly helpful. One of these details is the number capabilities. This tells you what each number is capable of, like whether it supports SMS, voice, or other features that Twilio offers. Knowing the capabilities can help you ensure you're using the right number for the right purpose. In addition to capabilities, you can also see the region of each phone number. This is important especially if you're managing numbers across different areas or countries, as the region will determine where your number can be effectively used and what potential costs might be involved. It's another layer of information to help you manage your numbers effectively. Lastly, you'll see the friendly name associated with each number. The friendly name is basically a label you can use to identify what a specific number is used for, making it easier to remember and categorize. It might be something simple like support line or sales team, depending on how you organize your resources. So that's it. By accessing the Active Numbers section of the Twilio console phone numbers page, you can view all your purchase numbers and get key information about their capabilities, region, and friendly names. Remember, this page is your go-to source for keeping track of your Twilio numbers with ease. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to